All right, good afternoon, and welcome to our webinar on 5 creative ways to save time with Kele Precision Manufacturing. We hope you are all doing well, and we appreciate your attendance. Should you have questions through this presentation, please feel free to submit them, and we'll get them answered for you. Kele recently combined manufacturing operations into a new division, Kele Precision Manufacturing, or KPM. It combines our panel shop operations and our product manufacturing facility. Today, we'd like to take some time to focus on 5 creative ways to save time utilizing KPM. Our focus today will be on UL panels, custom and repeat panels available through KPM, the Kele InstaPanel, custom capabilities that are available at Kele KPM, and specialty items that are available also through KPM. At this point, I'd like to go ahead and introduce David Romes. David is a product manager with Kele, and he specializes on the panel products and components that are available today through Kele. I'd like to kick us off with some questions for him so that he can further expand on UL panels. David, why do I need UL, and why should I use Kele?
Well, you would only ever use a UL panel if one had been specified. One trap that a few of our customers fall into is that they'll do multiple jobs, and local, even though UL was not specified when the panel was built, local code actually dictates that it be a UL panel assembly. So that's one of the things that you have to watch out for. We've seen just about everything there is to see as far as control panels. We've had a panel shop now for 25 years, and for 17 of those, we've been UL 508 or the new UL 508A. Like I said, there's not a lot we haven't seen.
Can I just do it myself? I mean, I got a place where I can go ahead and build my own panels. Is this something that can be done just in any shop?
Unfortunately, UL panels have to be built by a UL approved panel shop. Fortunately, Kele is a UL approved panel shop. Being a UL approved panel shop, there is a certification process that we go through, and we are actually subject to unannounced UL inspections to ensure that our procedures remain compliant.
Can I just design a normal panel and have a UL shop build it for me?
Not necessarily. First off, a UL panel must include UL components, and it also has to be built using UL spacing and tolerances. That being said, usually with some adjustments and some suggestions from Kele, your standard panels can be redesigned to meet UL specifications. Here are 2 panel assemblies from our panel shop. The panel assembly on the left is a non-UL panel. The panel assembly on the right is UL. This would be an assembly we would build. We would install your controller for you to meet UL. On this particular slide is the placement of the labels. The enclosure on the left side has the standard labeling from the enclosure manufacturer. The panel on the right shows actually the UL labeling that you will see on your finished UL panel assembly. To further illustrate that, this is actually how those labels break down. The first one is all UL panels are serialized. They have serial numbers, and they are documented, and that documentation is shared with UL. The other is the UL label. The UL label actually states all of the specifics about the panel build, and these cannot be recreated. So if the label is damaged or lost, we cannot simply send out another one, nor can we send one out for a panel that was built to a UL spec but was not specified to be a UL build at the time it was built. And this is where Kele can actually really help you save time and money. Our custom panel shop is well versed in custom and repeat panels. Custom panels would be a one-time build. Actually, not long ago, we did an enclosure. It was a single build, but it took 5 interconnected enclosures to build, and we wound up shipping it on a flatbed truck because it was so massive. That was a one-time design. Obviously, That was a special application that went into an oil refinery, and when we were done, it actually had to ship on a flatbed trailer. Again, it was obviously a complex, intricate design, but it was no problem for our panel shop to handle. The other side would be, and this is where we can really save you time and money, would be a repeat panel. A repeat panel is a single design used on multiple jobs. Kele can set that up for you as a single model number. You can order them when you need them, and we can ship them wherever you need them to be shipped. We do this a lot for companies that do the controls in like a number of chain stores where the controls are set up to be identical throughout the country. Obviously, they wouldn't want to order all of them at once. You would want to be able to order them and have them shipped to the job site as you would do them. That's a large part of our business and something we do very well. We also offer the InstaPanel. The InstaPanel is basically a plug-and-play device that we offer. We keep these in stock. They are ready to ship. They feature a transformer or transformers, depending on how large they are. They also feature a 3-amp 120-volt convenience outlet. They have a DIN rail for mounting components, and they also feature terminal blocks and a fuse and fuse holder. They also, I'm sorry, I almost forgot to tell you that they're built on a perforated backplane, which makes mounting your controls very easy in the field. Basically, you pull it out of the box, hang it on the wall, put your controller in it, wire it, and you're done.
David, thank you so much for that great information. I have a couple questions for you. Can I send the components to you and have you build my panel?
You can send any component that Kele does not normally supply to us, and we'll be happy to put it in a panel assembly. We do not use outsourced components that we carry something that is identical to.
What if I just didn't realize I needed a UL panel? It's already installed in the field, ready to go, and I found out after the fact that it had to be meet UL compliance. What do I do in that particular situation? Unfortunately,
you will have to order a UL panel assembly. It's a documented process, and they have to be start to finish UL.
Can I just get stickers, or have you send me some stickers if I go ahead and show you the design?
Unfortunately, no, we cannot do that. We can only supply stickers for panels that we build, and they have to ship with the panel. So unfortunately, no, we couldn't do that for you, but if you do run into that situation, please call us. We will do everything we can to help ease your pain in that situation, because it will involve you taking the existing panel out and replacing it with a UL assembled panel. But we try to be as helpful and flexible as we can in those situations so that it's not a total loss.
Sometimes I just don't find out about these things until the last minute, as it is in the contractor world. Do you have an expedite policy, or what can you do to help us out if we need something with a quick turnaround?
Absolutely, we have an expedite policy. Again, our panel shop is very flexible. We have several options, and we will do everything we can to work with you to get you what you need when you need it.
I think the InstaPanel is such a cool concept, and for us, for a lot of contractors, it's definitely a real help in the field, especially when you see that panel over and over and over again with the same requirements. Are there other colors than beige?
The InstaPanel is currently offered in 4 colors, including the aforementioned beige, which is our most popular. We also offer it right now in gray, dark blue, light blue. What's really neat about the InstaPanel is based on the Kele designed RET enclosure, and that's actually available in a few more colors. So if you wanted one of those other RET colors, it wouldn't be difficult at all to get you that. And if the quantities were large enough, we could probably get them painted in any color you'd want.
Okay.
By the way, they're not painted, they're actually powder coated.
Oh, even better. Hey, what type of testing do we do before shipping completed panels to our customers?
All panels are completely powered, and all circuits are tested. And if there is any type of issue, we first consult to be sure that we have it wired properly. And if it is wired according to your drawing and it's not working, then we will consult you on correcting it.
Do we do any additional special testing with that, like high pot testing or anything like that?
Typically no on a control panel, but if you have specific testing needs or documentation, we will be more than happy to try to provide you any of that information that you might need.
All right. Well, great, David. If any of you have any additional questions about any of the panel products or the information we shared on panels earlier, please feel free to submit those questions. Looks like we've got another one for you. Is the InstaPanel available in the NEMA 3R?
No, it is not. However, if it's something you would need in quantity, that would be a great candidate for a repeat build. If it's something you need only one or two, that would be a custom build for us.
Okay.
But we do NEMA 3R, NEMA 4, NEMA 4X panels all the time. So they're no strangers to us either.
Okay, that's cool. All right, well, I guess we're going to move on with our presentation and webinar today with Don Adams. Don Adams is a Senior Product Manager. He works with our sensing products and temperature products. Don, go ahead.
Okay, thank you, Lisa. Another way that Kele Precision Manufacturing can save you time is through our custom capabilities. Just because it's custom doesn't mean it has to be slow and expensive. When you're out in the field and it's okay, it's a nice cool spring day or a nice cool fall day, but we're out in the field and it's hot in the mechanical room or it's really cold. When you don't have the right part, it just gives you fits because it's just almost ready to fit but not quite, and you just wish you had just some other way to install this would be easy, and it's just giving you fits. But when we think about having custom parts, it dredges up ideas of time and money and delays and headaches, and that's just not something you want to experience. So Kele Precision Manufacturing can help you with that. At Kele Precision Manufacturing, we respect your time and we respect your money. We are a low-volume, high-mix manufacturer, and we have 28 years of experience creating and producing products for building control solutions. We have also worked with other industries to create products for the food service, pool, spa, and dust collection applications. It's just what we do. At Kele Precision, we know that your time is your money, and we understand that waiting is money spent by you that you can't charge back to your customer. When you save time, you do save money. So how can Kele Precision Manufacturing save you time and save you money? How exactly can we do that? Well, here are just 3 ways that working with us can help you save. We have thousands of products for hundreds of applications, and each one of those products can be altered specifically to your application. That means we don't have to reinvent the wheel every time we have a custom order. We have several areas of expertise. We have expertise in temperature control, temperature sensing, temperature measurement, humidity sensing, board level production, and we have comprehensive design capability for every aspect of your requirements. We can even create special combinations based on current products. For example, one customer wanted an STO3, but he also wanted a light sensor installed too. So what we did for that customer was take our STO3 outdoor air sensor and combine it with the PSR1 light sensor. And so without any kind of big design work, delays in time, and costly engineering time, we were able to put together exactly what the customer wanted, and he got it quickly and worked perfectly for his application. It's not just combining other products. We can also put together longer probes, shorter probes, a different housing. It just doesn't matter. And along with that, custom labels are easy to do as well. And we could even do custom packaging for your custom products. Another way we can help you save is our rapid response. It will save you both time and money. We can respond right away, especially with those smaller jobs. For those times when you have to have it right now, Kele Precision Manufacturing can rush those emergency situations for most standard ST and KT temperature sensors. And for orders for less than 5, we can ship in 2 days, and for orders less than 25, we can ship in 3 days. And with our humidity line, if you have an order of a quantity that's less than 5 pieces, we can ship those in 3 days as well. While our specialty is smaller runs less than 100, we are perfectly comfortable with larger products as well. Our engineering staff is responsive, and we have engineers and tech support specialists waiting to talk to you that can help you with your application and find the best solution to get you the best results. You can depend on Kele Precision Manufacturing because we will deliver when we say we will deliver. We won't give you a most optimistic case knowing ahead of time that we probably won't be able to make it. We will just give you our best and honest expectations. One of the advantages of Kele Precision Manufacturing is that we are located in Memphis, Tennessee, and that's the world headquarters of FedEx. So shipping is never a problem. We can get it to you where you want it, when you want it. Another advantage of our close proximity to FedEx is that we have tremendous flexibility in getting your order out. Being located close to FedEx allows us to maximize the workday so that we can ship as soon as we get the order done. We have even shipped products as late as 11 o'clock at night because we're in the same proximity as FedEx, and you can still have it the next day. Just tell us when you need it, and we will do our best to find a solution for you. Another way that Kele can save you time and money is through our specialty items. It's just part of what we do. Unique applications do not have to be project stoppers. So what if all you have is just an idea and the product you're looking for doesn't exist? It is not so unusual to work through a project and all of a sudden you come across something that seems impossible. We see specs all the time that are written and we have to wonder, where did it come from? Now there's a solution. With Kele Precision Manufacturing design team and Kele's extensive knowledge about our market, we can help you find that solution. So if you have a product need and the product doesn't exist, just call Kele. And just because it hasn't been done before, it doesn't make it impossible. We can help you develop it. Sometimes great ideas just need a good partner. With Kele's design team, we can help you bring your idea to life. Whether you want to use it just for yourself with its own part number or just want to make sure it's available the next time you need it, Kele Precision Manufacturing is the solution. We can make your unique solution easy to use and time saving by creating its own part number. Once you order with us, if you so desire, we can give it a special number so the next time you call in, it's easy to order. If you have a good idea, you will want to use it over and over again. So you won't need to have to try and remember what you did or where you got it. All you have to do is call Kele, and we can make it easy to reproduce your solution for your application. It's been said that necessity is the mother of invention. Some of our best ideas come from talking with our customers and discussing unique applications and situations. Other ideas that have come about as a result of talking to our customers are the VTI2. It's a one input, two output device, and that came about as a result of talking to our customers. The RES-1E, an interface between DDCs and resistance modulators, actuators. Our PCM pressure controller, the PT9000 PowerTrack power monitor, our UAT analog transducer, our universal math module, our TT470 damper position transmitter, our AutoFOS lighting panels. All of those have come about as a result of talking to our customers and listening to what they have to say and working together to find solutions for both of us.
So what if I need something right away, is there a way we can get an order extra quick, even if it's special?
Yes, there is. We do have an expediting policy. So like if you need a temperature sensor and you need it quickly, if you order less than 5 in quantities, you can get it in 2 days. If you need less than 25 in quantity, you can get it in 3 days. And for humidity, if you need less than 5 pieces, we can get that also in 3 days as well. So if you need, and if your needs exist outside of those numbers, just call us. We'll be glad to work with you and get it to you as quick as we can.
Are any of the temperature curves available for customization?
Yes, they are. We can take any of our temperature curves, whether it's the high accuracy ones, the RTDs, the misters, and we can make custom applications out of any of those.
Am I limited to just Kele Precision Manufacturing products for customization, or is anything customizable that's available in the catalog?
When you call Kele and you tell us what your application is, we will look at all of our resources, everything we have available to us, to find the best solution for you. And that's what we do. That's what we specialize in. And that's what we're good at. Our tech support team is very knowledgeable. They have over 200 years of tech support experience, and they have a lot of experience in the field, and they can find that solution that's going to work for you. So we'll use every resource we have available to us in order to find the solution that works for you.
So I can actually call Kele and actually work with you to develop a special sensor or temperature control device that's unique to one of my specific applications with one of my customers, and we can actually develop its own unique part number with its own pricing, just unique for me. Absolutely,
we can do that. And we can create your own part number. We can create your own logo on it. We can do everything to brand that for you and your customer, and help grow your business as well. Absolutely.
In that particular case, do I have to buy a certain number, or I mean, can I do this one time, or can I mean, obviously, if I have the same customer, I probably would need to order, quite a few to support them. But would I need to have a lot? I mean, are we talking about large volumes to get, good pricing with you?
Everything is based on the custom application. Everything is based on what that application is at the time. All you have to do is just call us. We've got to look at it and talk about that. But we specialize in smaller jobs, so we don't require like thousands of pieces. So we look for those smaller jobs that we can help you with, because that's where our customers need the most help with.
Well, we hope that today you learned a little bit more about what we can offer you at KPM and our capabilities. And if you have any more questions on the information that we've shared with you today, please feel free to submit those to us. We're standing by, ready, and waiting for your questions. KPM is new for Kele, and we want to learn more from our customers about what we're doing and to make sure that we're designed to meet your needs and what you're looking for. If you want to learn more about specialty products or panel products, go ahead and shoot us an email. The emails are listed on the screen right now. We've got emails for David Romes, Don Adams, myself, and as well as our president of KPM, Debbie Murda, who's actually sitting in on this webinar today. She is definitely anxious to hear back from our customers to learn about what we can do to meet your needs and make sure that we're designed and structured to support your interests and needs. Okay, we've got another question here. Is there a catalog available with some of the standard KPM panels? Oh my goodness, what a great question. In fact, that's one of the questions in our survey, is whether or not you'd like to get one of our new KPM catalogs. And if you want more than one, we'll gladly send it to you. So yes, this is going to be coming out. Debbie, when is that coming out?
The catalog should be published and available in May. So one of the questions, as Lisa said at the end of the webinar, please let us know that you would be interested in receiving one, and we will get it out to you as soon as possible.
That's great. What if we need control panels that require union labels or need to be Buy American, David?
We would have to know exactly what documentation you would need for that. Usually it is not a problem for us to provide, but the more specific you are on the front end, we'll help you, we'll save you time and a lot of trouble on the back end. So as long as we know the requirements going into the panel build, usually these aren't issues for us.
Okay, and also we, as stated earlier, Kele is located in Memphis, Tennessee, so we are American. Well, we hope that you walk away today with learning a little bit more about our KPM organization and what we have to offer. Again, please take time to fill out the survey. We value your input and information. And if you have anything else, please feel free to shoot us an email. Have a great day.